In this video, I'll show you how you can add your Canva presentation to your WordPress website. So let's jump straight into it. So here I am on Canva, and you can see I've got my presentation open. And what I'm going to do is embed this onto my WordPress website. So to do this, we want to come to the presentation that we want to embed, then go to Share in the top right-hand corner, and then you want to scroll down and click on More. And once you've done that, you'll then find the Embed option. So go ahead and click on Embed, and that will give you the option here to add a HTML embed code on your website. So if we're embedding this to a WordPress website, we want to go ahead and click Copy here. Once you've done that, you can then head over to WordPress. So you can see I'm on my WordPress dashboard here. Now you can embed this in posts or pages or really anywhere, but I'm going to go ahead and go to Pages, then Add New Page, and we're going to add a new page here and add this together. So once you click on Add Page, it will open up this window. I'm going to give this a title, so I'll just call this Embed Tutorial. Now I've done that, we can go ahead and click on the next block. You can then click the plus icon, and you want to then do a search for HTML. Once you've done that, click Custom HTML, and then paste in the embed HTML code that you just copied from Canva. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Preview, and just make sure everything looks good. Then you can click Publish in the top right hand corner and publish that update. And now if we go ahead and view that page, the Canva presentation should be embedded. So here you can see here is the presentation, and it's embedded nicely onto the WordPress website.